This is Michael Scott Hollash, and today I'm at the Veterans Memorial Park in Tampa. I came here to shoot a little treat for you guys today. So let's get to it. I came up here today to cover this beast, the AH-1 Cobra attack helicopter. These were developed and manufactured by Bell. It was a single engine attack helicopter. It was introduced into service in 1967 by the US and saw extensive action in the Vietnam War as well as later in the First Iraq War. It wasn't retired from service until 2001, which is when it was permanently replaced by Boeing's Apache attack helicopter, which is still in service today. There were approximately 1,120 of these built, which this particular unit was one of. These had a long service life, which is pretty amazing to think about with how fast technology advances, which would include defense technology as well. The Cobra held a crew of 2, as you can see here in the cockpit. You had a pilot and you had a gunner. It was safe to say that this was a pure offensive weapon. Now, for those of you that have followed my channel and have seen my other videos in my Relics of War series, I've covered a lot of vehicles, equipment. Some things I've covered were designed to be defensive, such as troop carriers, etc. They have a specific function, and they have armaments added to them to defend themselves from any threats. Well, this is the opposite. This would have been designed and manufactured solely as an offensive weapon, and the teeth decaling on this is very fitting because this thing was an utter beast. This particular unit has an earlier Gatling gun, and obviously, as you can see on this has both configurations of the rocket pods mounted. You had a 19 load rocket pod as well as a 7 load. So just one side of this thing could put off 26 70mm rockets. Now you have that on both sides. So looking at this thing from the front, it's just could produce utter devastation without a doubt. That's 52 rockets, 70mm rockets that this could put off on a full load, not counting it's a front Gatling gun as well. These were powered by a 1,100 horsepower turbo shaft. They were fast and highly maneuverable, which is what they were known for. Their maximum safe operating speed was 175 miles per hour. Now, obviously, they could go faster than that, but that was their maximum safe operating speed. And they could operate at a service ceiling of up to 11,400 feet. So these could operate at a high altitude for a helicopter without a doubt. And it's pretty amazing. And this is just a beautiful example they have here again. So if you guys are ever in the Central Florida area, or particularly in the Tampa Bay area, this park I highly recommend you guys come up and check out. They have a lot of fantastic static displays of military equipment, as well as a small indoor museum, which I'm going to be covering some more pieces from for the Relics of War series that I have here on the Reform Report. And so there will be more videos coming for those of you who enjoy military history. All right, guys, have a fantastic day.